Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, what I wanted to talk about is Pectus Excavatum safe? Okay, so I've been asked this question a bit, and I think it's a very important topic to talk about because obviously safety is paramount, and we want to be safe and healthy and live a good long life. And it's a fair thing to be worried about. Obviously, if you have a sunken chest, you're like, what's going on under there? Your heart's near there, your lungs are near there. It's definitely something to get checked out. If you have pectus and you ever experience any heart pain or anything, or even just if you have pectus, they'll go to a doctor and get their opinion on it. If they think, yeah, okay, it seems deep enough that you may have a compromised heart and lung function and that's concerning you, then get a scan, because Pectus excavatum definitely can be serious. It can require surgery, and in those instances, normally it does require surgery to lift out the chest and the sternum. So then what's kind of impacting down on your heart and your lungs, has that space now. And so that's when surgical intervention for pectus can be really, really awesome. And so yes, it is a serious condition. It is normally a cosmetic condition for most people with pectus, with just minor physiological kind of implications. For example, for me, I have an early onset of shortness of breath, but I'm fine. My health isn't at risk, okay? It's just a cosmetic condition for me, which is great because, I was able to build muscle, and now, the cosmetic side of things in regards to, being depressed about how I made my body look is no longer a thing. Obviously, I'm really happy with my body. I won a bodybuilding show. I was able to build a great physique with pectus, which everyone can do. And obviously the less severe your pectus is, the easier that's going to be to do. And the more severe your pectus is, probably the more likely that it's more serious, and you might need to get surgery, or you might need to look down that route because there is some kind of health concern. But yes, it is a serious condition. Take it seriously and change it, because regardless of whether it's impacting your health, probably it's impacting your mental health, which is just as important. Mental health is the amount of suicides and depression and all of that's going on is crazy nowadays. It's so sad, and it's not something to be taken lightly. And so if it is affecting your mental health, that's also something to take very seriously. It's something to make a change. Start training, start implementing my methods, go to a doctor, maybe check out surgery, look at the options. You have options. You can get training, you can start training, you can start building your pecs around your pectus to overcome it and fix your posture to make it look way less noticeable. You can implement the vacuum belt. You can go down the surgical route. There's options for you. So it is a serious condition. Take it seriously and make a change. Anyway guys, that's that video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in coaching, link is in the description to sign up for that. I would love to have you on board. I have a few client spots left. So yeah, click that link, apply, book a call so we can meet one another, see if you're a good fit, and then we'll go from there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.